Hey sis, so I am back with another video, and as you can tell, this is a review. I haven't done a review in forever, but I really wanted to do a review on this hair, this blonde, let me get a little closer so I can see, this blonde highlight Beyonce thing going on here. So I got it from Unice. Unice, because it has a little thing here. Unice. So came in a cute little box, and let me insert a picture of here. The box is obviously empty, but I love the fact that it came with a whole bunch of good stuff. I really wish I knew how to put these on, because I'm ready to learn how to do a glueless hair, whatever, a glueless wig install. So I wanted to do kind of a review on this hair before we get to the point of the video where I start actually doing the hair, putting the hair in. So honestly, in terms of the wig, for me, when I got the wig out of the pack, I did bleach the knots. Now I will say that when I got the wig, the parts that are like blonde here were a little raspy. So when I washed it, I co-washed it with conditioner, and I used this neutralizing soap that I have. And I think that kind of helped. It's not as brassy as it is, if you guys can see. I will say that this wig was a little snug on my head. I do have a big head, so I'm not even gonna front. Usually mediums can work, but I realized that I do have a big head, so if it's more on the small, medium small, like the medium, it's gonna fit a little snug. So if you got kind of a head like me, it's gonna be snug. But in terms of any shedding, I have not gotten any shedding, and I have flat ironed this hair, I have brushed it, I have done everything. I opted for a side part, but it does come as a middle part. So what I suggest is when you wash the hair, mold it. So brush it back, brush all the hair back. So then when it dries backwards, and then you can kind of play with where you want your parting. Now it is a 13 by 6. So the parting space goes from here to about here. So I can show you guys. So like about, it goes pretty far. So I actually love this hair. Like, I'm ready to try it out again, but with a middle part. I didn't have any shedding with this hair. When I bleached the knots, it did lift quickly. After my reaction, you guys are gonna see how I go ahead and install the actual wig. And you'll see that I tried a method that I normally don't do. I tried the method where you keep the lace on, then glue it. So let me get close so you guys can kind of see the detail in the front. So some parts are kind of lifted, so y'all don't crucify me for it. But yeah, I really do love this hair. Like, I'm not mad at it. It was an 18-inch, and this was 18-inch, and I believe it was, I'm pretty sure it was 130, not 150, because it's really not that thick. Which I was thinking about getting a 150, but the 130 is pretty thick in itself. I was trying to get it as flat as possible. It was kind of a task. I had to go in and flat iron it all one by one to get it the way I want it. But overall, I do love this hair. What do y'all think? Is it a must buy? I don't think I spent that much on this wig. I think I only spent $130. No, I think it was $135 or $140. It wasn't that much for this wig. Like, and I noticed that a lot of the YouTubers are getting wigs with this type of color, and I really do like it. Like, this is my first time trying it, and I really think it's bomb as fuck. Like, I fuck with it. Like, yes, you can catch you a little snack with this. You can catch your little vibe. You can catch your little mans. But yeah, so that is it for my first impressions on this wig. See you guys in my next video. Bye, sees.